Problem, we want to know how much does a 100-kilogram object weigh on Earth? So we're going to need the weight formula. Weight is m times g, and g on Earth is about 10 newtons per kilogram. So when we actually throw that in, we're going to get weight is 100 times 10, which ends up being 1,000 newtons of weight. Now, next question. The same 100-kilogram object has a weight of only 162 newtons on the moon. What's the force of gravity acting on it from the moon? It's a trick question. Weight is the force of gravity, so the answer is 162 newtons as well. Now, this one's a two-part question. What is the gravitational force acting on a 30-kilogram object on the moon? So the problem is we need to get g, the gravitational strength of the moon. So we know that 162 is going to be, actually let's be clear about this. We know that the weight on the moon is the mass times the gravitational pull of the moon. And we need to actually get what that is. So we know that a 100-kilogram object weighs 162 newtons on the moon. So g of the moon ends up being 1.62 newtons per kilogram. And now to get the weight of a 30-kilogram object on the moon, we're going to have weight of the moon equals mass times g of the moon. So we're going to end up getting W equals 30 times 1.62. And when we actually multiply that out, that ends up being about 48.6 newtons of weight on the moon.